everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this drone. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this drone has a 2.4 GHz 4-channel RC series. It's for ages 14s and up, but it tells you a little bit about it right there. Let's go ahead and open this up and see exactly what it looks like. So this is what the drone looks like. As you can see, it looks like it comes with the extra battery and everything right there. You have your user manual. This is your remote control. This is the drone itself, which it already has a battery in there. And you can actually charge it up. I'm gonna go ahead and start charging it so that I can use it in a little bit. So you just take this right here. You're gonna plug it in back here, and then I'm gonna start charging it. It comes with this right here so that you can attach your phone to it. Let me go ahead, I'm gonna need some batteries. So you need 3 AAA batteries. So I'll go ahead and grab those. And then once you're done with that, you'll actually just slide this on, and that's what your phone's going to go on so that you can watch it with your phone. But let me go ahead, charge all this up, get it ready, and then we're going to see what it looks like outside in use.
See how high it can go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Dang, you almost made a trip. Land on the RV. Land in my hand.
Land in Scarlett's hair.
Okay. Hello, child.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.